Hey, what's up, folks? If you're looking for the best adjustable dumbbells, you've landed in the perfect spot. We've done the research to bring you the best adjustable dumbbell options for this year. Considering price, performance, and usage scenarios, stick around to discover adjustable dumbbells is the best fit for you. You can find all the product links with the best deals in the description box below. Our list is in no particular order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. Number 1. Lifepro PowerFlow Plus Adjustable Dumbbell Set. Best for beginners. Lifepro's PowerFlow Plus Adjustable Dumbbell Set is our top pick for beginners because it's compact, easy to adjust, and a great value. During testing, we found that the adjustment dial was straightforward and foolproof, allowing us to change weights quickly and easily. We also noticed that the ergonomic handles provide a solid grip for a more comfortable workout. This space-saving set easily fits into more corners or storage areas, keeping your home gym neat and tidy. Plus, we love how durable the weights are. At a great price point, their resilient design makes these adjustable dumbbells a smart buy for anyone new to strength training. These dumbbells can only be adjusted between 5 and 25 pounds each. You may need heavier weights as you grow stronger. These are best for beginners simply because they are so foolproof to use. Beginners could apply to weightlifting beginners, or even just those new to an adjustable dumbbell. Keely Nemikis, very well fit product tester. Number 2, BCBIG Adjustable Dumbbell Set. Best budget. Budget freely, easy to assemble, and intuitive. BCBIG's adjustable dumbbell set is our favorite option if you're searching for a deal. During testing, these weights were easy to use and adjust for a fast and effective workout. The simple knob system only takes a few seconds when you need to change weights or grips. We love that you can use this set as dumbbells or barbells when you want to get creative. Think Good Mornings jammers or even classic deadlifts. The handles are smooth and comfortable to hold even when your hands start to sweat. Best for beginners or intermediate users, this set is ideal for amping up your workouts without breaking the bank. We do think you get what you pay for, meaning these weights don't feel as durable as some others we tested. When fully assembled, the barbell can be large and a little bulky, but the pieces are easy to store in a small space when taken apart. These dumbbells are good for beginners and intermediate active people. Adjusting the weight and adding the weights on the barbell is super easy. Vanessa Michelonis, very well fit product tester. Number 3, Snode 8080 Cast Iron Adjustable Dumbbell. Best for bodybuilding. Snode stands out from most adjustable dumbbells on the market due to its premium cast iron materials. Of all the models I tested, this feels the most like a traditional dumbbell. Even the plates and the cradle for the set are full cast iron, producing not only an incredibly durable adjustable dumbbell, but one that mimics the traditional kind. The only downside to cast iron is that it isn't ideal for placing on the floor during exercises since it may damage flooring, so I'd recommend keeping them in the cradle when not in use. I especially appreciate the flat head that works well in all different types of workouts. And the dumbbells are easy to adjust with the ring as long as the plates are aligned properly. The weight range is solid on this model too, ranging from 10 to 80 pounds, but one downside is that the dumbbells move in only 10-pound increments, which can be pretty substantial as you're trying to slowly move up in weight. Snode does make small magnetic weight plates to increase the weight in a smaller increment, but these are a separate add-on purchase. Number 4, PowerBlock Elite EXP Adjustable Dumbbells. Best block. This tried and true pick is a staple for Schlinger, who says that she uses them constantly in workouts and that they hold up extremely well. The unusual rectangular design may not be something you're used to, but these adjustable dumbbells are built to last and very durable. I got my first PowerBlock pair from my father, who had already put them through heavy use, and they still held up years later. While they're rectangular, I don't find them to be clunky or awkward at all. I truly think they work great, Schlinger adds. But the different feel and shape may take some getting used to during specific workouts. Instead of a quick change handle like others on the market, they have a magnetic pin which takes a moment to adjust, but is easy enough to use. I like that the bulk of the weight is steel versus plastic for the sake of durability, Mostek adds. You can also buy accessories like a straight bar, a kettlebell handle, making them even more versatile. And while this model ranges from 5 to 50 pounds, PowerBlock also makes a pro version that ranges all the way up to 100 pounds. Number 5, Smrtfit Nüobell Adjustable Dumbbells. pair. Best overall. These adjustable dumbbells range from 5 to 80 pounds, making them great for not just traditional strength training, but also for most serious bodybuilders. What I personally love about these is the adjustment mechanism. It's probably my favorite of all the adjustable dumbbells we've tried. It couldn't be easier to use and is incredibly efficient. Simply twist the steel knurled handle and you'll transition easily to the next weight. I also like that the dumbbell changes in 5-pound increments, which is great for supporting gradual strength gains. The set replaces 32 dumbbells and comes in a cradle for storage, making it great for small spaces. These are another favorite for Schlinger as well, who cites the easy adjustment capabilities and sleek design. These are super easy to adjust and not clunky at all. But she cautions to not slam them down like you potentially would at a commercial gym, as this can damage the handle, and in general, adjustable dumbbells are something you should be careful handling. They come at a steep price point, but are a go-to for me, since they mimic the feel of a traditional dumbbell and are incredibly easy to adjust. Number 6. NordicTrack 55lb Select-to-Weight Dumbbells. Best value. NordicTrack has historically performed well in our tests for cardio equipment like treadmills and exercise bikes. Exercise physiologist Sydney Mostek, MS, RDN, ACSM, EP, is a fan of this adjustable dumbbell set that comes in at a fairly affordable price, considering that it replaces 30 dumbbells. The weight range is 10 to 55 pounds per dumbbell, which is appropriate for most people, but not for those engaging in very heavy lifts. Although the adjustment mechanism is a bit more seamless on other brands' dumbbells, this one has a few touch points to change the weight. This pick from NordicTrack still does the job in a short period of time. The materials are a mix of steel and plastic, but the weight distribution is solid and mimics that of a traditional dumbbell. The flathead design is also great for loading on your thighs as you prepare for a bench press and other seated lifts. Number 7. Bowflex SelectTech 552. Dumbbell Single. Best for beginners. My first pair of adjustable dumbbells. Bowflex is a great choice for beginners. The popular pick boasts a durable design and uses a dial for easy transitioning between weights. Available as a single or pair, this adjustable dumbbell has a comfortable grip that I find holds up best with traditional strength training movements, including bicep curls and deadlifts. It can be used for cross-training movements like snatches, cleans, and jerks as well. Schlinger is a fan of the Bowflex SelectTech too, citing the wide range of 5 to 52.5 pounds per dumbbell to accommodate most workouts and gradual 2.5-pound increments. But if you're engaging in very heavy lifts, then this may not be the best pick for you. You will have to line them up in the base to change the weight, but that is a pretty standard adjustment mechanism for most adjustable dumbbells. One tech-savvy feature is that you can now download the JRNY app to connect your dumbbells with motion tracking. The app will provide you with real-time voice assistant coaching and even count your reps, plus let you know how much weight you need for the next movement. All of these features make them great for novices who are looking for guidance in their strength training workouts.